Inhale
Good.
as the blue circle shrinks.
And
Exhale
in.
as the blue circle expands.
Stand still. There.
Relax your stomach after exhaling to let the air back in naturally.
Good, Jesse, do the breathing.
You can also inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Focus on exhaling. Relax your stomach after exhaling to let the air back in naturally.
Jesse.
And then you need to.
Jesse.
Drew, let Susie do it.
Hold it, hold it. Good.
Yay!
You did it.
First time. Yeah. I did that.
You have one more chance.
Good, Jess.
You have one more chance, Jesse.
All the way bend. Bend all the way down. All the way, keep going. All the way down.
Okay, let's see if you do that.
Don't worry, you're okay. Go. All the way down, all the way down, all the way down.
Now, go now.
No!
No!
Too early.
Too early.
Good
And
try.
too fast.